Hello everyone, welcome back to today's channel. And I'm Otis. In this video, I will guide everyone on how to quickly Uptop Twitter posts. We will access this tool and select the comment section, Uptop. We will select the accounts we want to use to Uptop that post. On this side, we will set up the time parameters. Next is the content section. We will choose existing content and save it. Next below, we will have two options to choose from, Uptop by profile and Uptop by post. In this video, I will guide you on how to Uptop using a post. We select the post. We will enter the post's ID here. To get it, we'll go back to your X section. Click on the Share section. Copy link. Then return to the tool and paste it here. Delete all unnecessary parts. Keep only the numbers. Then we will save it. Below, we will choose the number of posts we want to Uptop. Next below, we will tick the like, report, and comment sections if you want to comment. After all parameters have been set, we just need to click Start. There. It's very simple, isn't it? If you find it helpful, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share. To own this tool, please message me via WhatsApp or Telegram. And let's see how this tool works. Let's start.